Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to change location in the Boo dating application using your smartphone. First of all, launch open the Boo application on your device and log into your account. After you're signed into your account, go ahead and tap on the three horizontal menu icon at the top left corner. Now from the expanded menu, click on your profile picture. Go to the top right and tap on Edit. In the editing screen, scroll down and get to your location tab and tap on it. Now click on Add a location at the bottom. Go ahead and select your location from the menu under Teleport and click on Add. In order to change your location manually, you'll need to upgrade to Boo Infinity or Premium. If you've just moved to a new place, then you can allow the device's GPS to track you on your current location. So that is how you can easily change your location on Boo dating app. If your location is incorrect and you'd like to change it to a nearby option, then right underneath your current location under Teleport, tap on Change. Now select a different location from the menu. Once done, click on Select and you have now successfully changed your location on Boo. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.